Cooking methods are the basic ways that food is prepared and transformed using heat. Learning these methods helps you cook a wide range of dishes. This series will introduce key cooking techniques including boiling, frying, baking, roasting, grilling, and steaming. Boil means cooking food in hot water or liquid at a high temperature. Fry means cooking food in hot oil or fat. Bake is cooking food using dry heat in an oven. Roast is similar to baking, but usually involves cooking meats or vegetables with indirect heat to create a browned surface. Grill means cooking food over direct heat on a metal grate. Steam involves cooking food using hot vapor or steam, which helps retain moisture. Boiling cooks food by immersing it in rapidly bubbling hot water or liquid at around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Common foods to boil include eggs, potatoes, and pasta. Boiling softens the food and prepares it for eating or further cooking. Frying uses hot oil or fat to cook food. The food is either partly or fully submerged in the oil. Frying creates a crispy outside and cooks the inside quickly. Examples of frying include frying eggs sunny side up, pancakes in butter, and golden fish fillets. Baking is cooking food by surrounding it with dry, hot air, usually in an oven. This method is common for bread, cookies, and cupcakes. Baking produces a golden brown texture and cooks food evenly inside. Steaming cooks food by surrounding it with hot steam from boiling water. This gentle method keeps the food moist and preserves nutrients. Commonly steamed foods include broccoli, fish, and dumplings. Roasting uses dry heat to cook food evenly on all sides, often in an oven. It is often used for meats and vegetables. Roasting creates a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. Typical roasted foods are chicken, potatoes, and beef. Grilling cooks food on a metal grate over direct heat. This method gives the food a smoky flavor and grill marks. Grilling is used for steaks, corn on the cob, and chicken pieces with a charred outside.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.